In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to TradingView, a widely used platform for those who love to dive deep into the world of trading and market analysis. Whether you're an enthusiastic amateur or a seasoned trader, accessing your TradingView account provides a universe of charts, tools, and indicators that help you make informed decisions. So, let's walk through the process of logging into your account smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you find most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen. Carefully type out "tradingview.com" and hit the Enter key. This action will take you directly to the TradingView homepage. On the homepage, you'll notice the layout is designed to be intuitive. Now divert your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. This button is your gateway to accessing all the features your TradingView account has to offer, so go ahead and give it a click. Clicking on the Sign In button will prompt a login window to appear. This is where you can enter your credentials. Depending on how you signed up, you have a couple of options. You can either input your registered email address or your username, followed by the corresponding password. Ensure that your details are entered accurately to avoid any login hiccups, but perhaps you prefer the ease and convenience of logging in through a social media account. Well, TradingView makes that easy for you too. You can choose to log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID account. Just select the option that best suits you and follow any prompts that appear to authorize the login through these platforms. Once you've entered your preferred credentials or selected your social media login, it's time to click the Sign In button. This final click will usher you into your account dashboard, where all the dynamic features and insightful charts of TradingView await your exploration. And there you have it, a seamless entry into your TradingView account, ready to enhance your trading experience. I hope this guide helps you log in with ease. And now you're all set to delve into your market analysis with confidence. Happy trading.